can't see it, how do we know it's there? 'Cause we can't escape it, there's nothing it'll spare. Big stars dying start to take everything in, leaving our galaxy going for a spin. As small as an atom, or as big as we can fathom, a veritable void bigger than any earthly chasm. Big stars dying start to take everything in, leaving our galaxy going for a spin. There's few types of black holes, the smallest are called primordial, the mass of a mountain but a single atom wide. The most common stellar black holes are much better known, 10 miles with the mass of 20 suns inside. Stellar's observed incredible, primordial's hypothetical, and there's one more less common type that science has supplied. They're known as supermassive, they're placed ever so impassive. One day, we theorize that with one of them will collide. Electrons orbit nuclei around the sun, the planets fly. We can't apply this movement to the way we circle black holes to center of the Milky Way, a single entity to stay. We sway around it though we're far in Sagittarius A star. Every galaxy orbits a black hole like this, a mass of more than 1 million suns. It should be hard to miss. SGR A star has a mass of 4 million or greater, and yet this is why it crosses our own tiny sun's equator. Yet it was so hard to find, like every black hole. The scientists searched, and it took a real toll, 'cause they suck in the light that we all need to see. Yet still, astronomers at last found the key. We could see what's around it. Was that all we needed? When star took 15.2 years to orbit unimpeded. If it was anything else, which we now know is wrong, that orbit would have taken more than twice as long. We can't see it, how do we know it's there? 'Cause we can't escape it, there's nothing it'll spare. Big stars dying start to take everything in, leaving our galaxy going for a spin. As small as an atom, or as big as we can fathom, a veritable void bigger than any earthly chasm. Big stars dying start to take everything in, leaving our galaxy going for a spin. West Virginia, the year was 1974. Scientists Malick and Brown didn't know what they were in for. Pointing radio waves into space, it was no mistake, for there was a trace of a new thing out there no one had seen before. The wave showed that it was the galactic core, the center of the Milky Way definitively. But what was it exactly they'd come to see? The orbiting stars, the way they progressed, the distance and time, what the scientists assessed. No other body could be as massive and still, have the stars orbit how they did and how they will. And the way the sun shifted past the black hole, reflective of how revolutions bring change in perspective. I mean, the relative positions as we kept track through our telescopes showed us the parallax. Now just last year we made a real breakthrough. Scientists confirmed what they thought they knew. From black holes, gravitational waves are emitted. This discovery definitely benefited the idea that we all revolve around these. The evidence is flowing, we have the keys. Decades of research has cracked the riddle. Sagittarius A star is in our galaxy's middle. We can't see it, how do we know it's there? 'Cause we can't escape it, there's nothing it'll spare. Big stars dying start to take everything in, leaving our galaxy going for a spin. As small as an atom, or as big as we can fathom, a veritable void bigger than any earthly chasm. Big stars dying start to take everything in, leaving our galaxy going for a spin. Leaving our galaxy going for a spin. Going for a spin.